He was just a loving guy and everybody loved him. He'd vomit love out of his eyes and everybody loved him. He let them do whate'er they pleased. Happiness spread like a disease. The birdies flew down from the trees. His enemies fell to their knees. His love, it was a masterpiece, and everybody loved him. He put everybody at ease, and everybody loved him. He let them know they were the best. We didn't worry about the rest. We filled up with his special zest.
Did anything at his behest. We all know
everybody loves somebody sometimes.
Sometimes.
I'm not gonna let them make me feel ashamed.
No shame.
What was done in love cannot be called a crime.
It's not illegal.
Even if it was, then he's to blame.
Blame.
We turned the cities into dust and
everybody loved him.
We did it 'cause he said we must and must.
Everybody loved him.
We filled the air with fire and screams. He said nothing is as it seems. He told us we would be redeemed and not to join the losing team. We noticed our young Holocaust and everybody loved him.
We turned around, found ourselves lost, and
everybody loved him. Where had he gone? We've been told lies. We next agreed on alibis.
Then came the low.
We had the highs when everybody loved him. Everybody regrets the regrettable. Everybody wishes things went right. Everybody wishes shit were edible. Everybody wishes day were night. And everybody loves him.
everybody loved him.
Everybody loved him.
Everybody loved him.
Everybody loves him.
Everybody loved him.
And they still do.